What's up guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Khadija. Welcome to my channel. If you aren't new, then welcome back to another video. For today's video, we are working with AngieQueenhair, and today we're working with their 28-inch silky straight lace front wig. This is their packaging. I'm just gonna show you guys what I received in my package. Received wig caps, eyelashes, makeup brush, and we also received a strap for our wig. And finally, this is a wig for today. This unit is a 28-inch 13x4 silky straight unit, and I am in love with this unit. It is super silky, super soft. Look at that, it is super soft. If you want to get this wig, the link is in my description. Go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. If you want to get any other products from AngieQueenhair, their website is in my description, so go ahead and click that link, make your purchase. Make sure you use my special code down below to get your discounts. This is our wig for today. It is a 28-inch 13x4 silky straight unit, and I love this already. This is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and install my wig, but make sure you go ahead and make your purchase. So I won't be wearing a wig cap for this install. I haven't been wearing a wig caps for any install. However, I'm just gonna go ahead and put a wig grip strap on, and then we install our wig. So we have our strap on. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and put some foundation on my lace, and then we install our wig. But this is it. This is what our lace is looking like without foundation. I'm just gonna go ahead and put some foundation on my lace, and then we install the wig. Okay guys, so this is what our lace is looking like now that we added foundation. This is the new look. This is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and install my wig. Okay guys, so this is what our wig is looking like. This is it. And I must say, I did not have to customize this wig. The only thing I did was to wash it. This is what it's looking like. It's not trashy, it's not frizzy, it's giving silky. Even after washing it, even natural, it's giving the same cute silky vibes. This is it. If you want to get this unit, the link is in my description, so go ahead and make your purchase. This is what our wig is looking like, and I'm just gonna go ahead and install my wig. Today I'll be using my olive oil wig grip spray to install my wig. So I'm just gonna go ahead and install my wig. Okay guys, so I just finished cutting the excess lace off, and this is it. It is giving melted, it is giving laid, it is giving natural. This is it. Like, this is it. I'm just gonna go ahead, tie this down, let it dry, and then we finish up our wig. The link for this unit is in my description. Remember to use my special code to get your discounts. This is what our wig is looking like. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig. Okay guys, so this is what it's looking like after I took the strap off. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig. I don't think I'm making any baby here. It is super natural, and I'm just gonna keep it that way. I might do a side or center part. Anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig. You see how fast I got flat? I just ran the hot comb through it once and it is already flat. When I tell you about high quality, this is it right here. Like, look at that. It's already flat and I just ran the hot comb through it once. I promise you, this is it. I love this wig already. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig. I'm trying to get my part straight, but I'm not good. I can't part to save my life. Trying to get that part straight. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I decided I was gonna keep it super natural, and this is it. Guys, so this is the finished look. This is it. I totally love it. It is given volume, it is given soft, it is given laid, and I totally love this wig. I think this is like the longest straight wig I've ever had, and I really do love it. Once again, this wig is from AngieQueenhair, and I am in love with this unit. It is a 28 13x4 silky straight wig. and I totally love this wig. I love how it came out super natural. I love it. It's given silky and soft. This is it. If you want to get this wig, the link is in my description, so go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. If you want to get any other products from Angiequeenhair, their website is in my description, so go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. I hope when you guys make your purchase, you go ahead and tag me and let me know if you feel the same way about your units. I really do love it. It was super easy to melt. It came super ready to install. I did nothing to it, and the lace melts so good. Like, look at that. The quality on this unit is just superb. I cannot ask for anything. The silkiness, the texture of this wig is just great. I love it. The hair, the lace melts perfect. Everything about it, it was so easy to get flat. I used like the hot comb, run through it once, and it was just flat and laid, and I love everything about this unit. If you want to get this wig, the link is in my description. Go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. Use my special code to get your discounts and your gift. And this is where I leave you guys for today. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, leave your comments down below, and most importantly, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, I'll see you guys in another video.